Greetings from Aesthetic Medical Center in Myrtle Beach, where science meets beauty. Dr. Marcovici specializes in minimal invasive, rapid recovery body contouring procedures. To achieve this goal, Dr. Marcovici uses a specialized form of local anesthesia called tumescent that makes a completely painless experience. By using tumescent local anesthesia, most of his patients are able to go back to work and the gym in just 2 to 3 days after the procedure. The tumescent local anesthesia is so effective that there is no need of IV sedation or general anesthesia. At Aesthetic Medical Center, Dr. Marcovici focuses in 4 areas. First is cosmetic surgery for body contouring using only local tumescent anesthesia that allows for a painless procedure with no downtime. Some of the body contouring procedures done by Dr. Marcovici are liposuction, tummy tuck, breast augmentation using your own fat that was collected after a liposuction procedure, no scar breast reduction, and fat grafting to the buttocks, hands, face, and labia. Second is aesthetic medical office procedures for skin rejuvenation that can be done in less than 1 hour, therefore also called lunch break procedures because patients can go back to their daily activities with no downtime. Some of those procedures include dermal fillers, Botox, skin rejuvenation, skin tightening with microneedling, and RF. Third is intimate medicine for men and women. Many women, after they have completed their family, are asking about our mommy makeover procedure. And last is medical spa, where you will enjoy a soothing facial, hydrofacial, chemical peels, all for a relaxed, refreshed, and rejuvenated you. If interested in learning more and to schedule your consultation, please call our office at 843-945-9990. Aesthetic Medical Center is located at 911 Medical Circle of 82nd Street in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. You can learn more about us at our website at www.drmarcovicimd.com.